Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's short tutorial, we are going to learn how to search for genes and proteins in a draft bacterial genome using the BV-BRC platform. Now, copy the web page URL and paste it into your preferred web browser to access the site. Under the Tools and Services tab, select the BLAST feature. Copy the DNA or protein sequence for BLAST. Paste it into the blank space provided. You can either run BLAST against a single genome using the search within a selected genome list option or against a genome group using the search within a selected genome group option. Select the genome file, designate the output folder, and enter a file name, then click Submit. Perform the same procedure if you are running BLAST against a genome group. You may view the results under the Jobs tab. Look for the output under the Homology service. Here, you can view the percentage similarity and the alignment pattern. The same applies for genome group BLAST. Look for the output folder and click the eye icon to access the BLAST results. You can also view the nucleotide or protein sequences. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or inquiries, drop us a message in the comments below. We'll be happy to help and respond as best as we can. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more content.